Alright, you guys, so we are at the top of the dam where I fish at on the Provo River. You guys, check this out. I have never in my life seen the Provo River this low. I mean, it is just so low. I've never been able to see the bottom of this river. We're gonna go up here and I'll show you guys some up here. But yeah, I've been here in the wintertime, fall, summer, everything, the spring. I've never ever seen it this low before. Last time I came, I tried to make a video and I was unable to. I was unsuccessful due to the current being too fast and just the water being so high. Yeah, I couldn't get my Rapala to swim like I wanted it to, but hopefully this time we'll be able to hook into something. Who knows, maybe not. Maybe I'll be heading to Deer Creek if it's not good up here. But I've never ever seen it this low ever. I mean, this is just crazy. Hopefully down below the dam, because we're up above the dam like I said, hopefully below the dam there's enough water in that honey hole that I like to fish. I mean, holy cow, people usually are jumping off this bridge during the summertime. They're usually jumping off and go swimming in here. I mean, look at that. That is just crazy. Man, hopefully I can hook into something. But yeah, let's make it to the honey hole and we'll see you guys there. Wanted to show you guys one last time how freaking low this is. This is just crazy. I know I keep saying that, but it is. It's crazy. Usually, like the water, you can see the water line over there, right where the green goes up and then it turns white. That's where the water line was. And over there, it's just all this over here was full of water, and now it's all just dirt. It's that low. All right, you guys. So here we are making it down to the honey hole, to where I usually fish. There's water over here, but it's still really low. There's no water at all coming off of the overspill right there where the dam is. Nothing coming down the dam at all. So it's just all this water up here is just water just sitting up here. But good news is it's not too high, not too rapid, so I should be able to hook into some fish today. You know, the water's so calm. Yeah, I just saw a fish jump right there. So yeah, let me get set up, you guys. Let's do this. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hooked Up with Levi. Today we are fishing on the river. I decided to come over here at the Provo River, and like I said earlier, I showed you guys up at the top of the dam up there is super low. Well, down here it's no different, but good news, the water's very calm. So I know I'm going to be able to hook into something today. So anyway, yeah, I got my poles all set up. I got a worm rigged up, and I've also got Rapala, and also I brought my fly rod. I know I always say that and I never end up showing it in the videos, so don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna do my best to try to catch something using a streamer this time. I'm gonna try to use a streamer. So anyway, you guys, stay tuned and hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks. All right, you guys, here goes the first cast using the Rapala. Oh, get it untangled first. All right, here we go, guys. This is the first cast. All right, guys, nothing on the first cast. Cast it against the wall over there. Oh, all right, you guys, hooked up. Second cast. We are hooked up. Is it going to be a brown or a rainbow? Oh, it's just a little baby brown. Second cast, you guys. Just a teeny little guy. All right, there we go, guys. First fish. There he goes. All right, see if we can keep it up. I was about to say right before I caught that fish, I got somebody way over there and he's casting all the way up here right in front of me. So we'll see how that works out. Here's the third cast. Nothing on the third cast. Now that they don't have that that natural noise of the water flowing, they're gonna hear every little thing in the water. So try to be a little bit more quiet when I'm walking around in it. Oh, all right, guys, hooked up. Second fish. Oh man, he just popped off. Dang it. Oh man, now I got my Rapala. There we go. Dang it, you guys, it got off. Give it a cast in that same spot. Walk down even a little bit further. Cast it way down there. Oh, all right, guys, hooked up. Oh, he got off. He got off. Dang it. Second fish I've lost. Dang it. Cast back over there. I'm just giving it just little twitches, not even big ones. The water's not moving that fast, so you don't even need to twitch it that hard. Just give it little twitches. Let it pause for a second. Oh, all right, guys, hooked up. Yeah. Second fish. Oh, he just got off right here. That's all right. Just another small brown. Sweet. 3 lost and, well, 4 lost technically. I didn't get that one either. So 4 lost and 1 successfully caught. I'll take it. All right, give me a cast up there, a little ways. All right, you guys, hooked up. Please do not get off this time. Just a little guy. Really teeny guy. Holy cow, that's a small one. Let him go. There he goes. All right, you guys, hooked up. Please do not come off. Don't jump off. He's over there jumping. All right. Said after the next fish I would change up. I'm gonna change up. Another little baby. Another little baby. All right, buddy. Bring him up over here. Get that out of him. All right, you guys. So I'd say third one because I had that one, but second one technically. I'm gonna get a picture of him, then I'm gonna release him. All right, you guys. So I said it, one more fish and I would switch it up and try the good old streamer. So I've got a little like black, that's not really even a streamer, it's just like a black leech looking like fly. And about 6 inches up, I've got a little weight, just to give it some weight. So it'll get down there. Just walk out there a little bit. Out there a little bit further. Oh, that was horrible, Levi. Oh, I got a branch, that's why. I told you guys I suck at fly fishing, but only way to get better is to keep sucking until you get good.
You what?
All right. Bring some of this in. There we go. There we go. By no means do I know what the heck I'm doing, but I've got to get better at it. I think I'm gonna come up over here so I can actually get up against that wall. I think that's where they're mostly sitting up, bunkered at. Ah, come on, Levi. Oh, that was horrible. Come on. There we go. That was a cast. There we go. Finally, Levi. I get so comfortable using the Rapala and using bait, I don't give the fly enough chance, the fly fishing. All right, you guys, so once again in another video I'm gonna cut it out on the fly fishing, on the streamer fishing. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I came here to make a video for you guys, so I'm just gonna stick to the Rapala, stick to what I know, and maybe use some worms. Anyways, yeah, so just keep watching and we will catch some more fish. If I keep going at the pace I'm going with that streamer, with that fly rod, we ain't catching anything. So all right, you guys, so after trying trying to hook up into a fish with a streamer. No success, obviously, but I tried the Rapala for a little while after that, for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, nothing. So I decided to try out the worm. Give the worm a try. I like to use the worm threader to thread it up my line. I find that works the best. But anyway, enough talking. Here goes the first cast with the worm. Really surprised I haven't gotten a hit. Usually they take a worm like that real fast. Oh, there we go, there's a hit. Make sure he gets it. Alright, you guys, hooked up. Nope, he got off. Dang it, he got off. That's why I wanted to make sure he took it. Alright, you guys, hooked up. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Woohoo! Yeah, that is a decent sized brown right there. Oh, he's a fatty. Fatty. Yeah. Look at that beautiful brown. Beautiful brown. I'm gonna get a picture with him and then we're gonna release him. All right, you guys, release this brown. There he goes. Come on. All right, you guys, hooked up. It's been about 45 minutes since I last hooked up. Looks like this is a small one. And I got a stick on it too. They're a really teeny one. Get that stick off. How did that happen? Oh, I know how. There we go. I just gotta unwind the stick. There we go. Oh yeah, I can get that out. Oh, you guys, just a little guy. Use the pliers and get that out. Just a little one. Oh, there he goes. Give it a cast right there. There's a bite. All right, you guys, hooked up. Oh, immediately. As soon as it hit the bottom. This one feels like a little fighter. Yeah, he's still small. He's a tiny one again. Been catching nothing but tiny ones. Only caught one that was about 15 inches. That's it. Only one. These are all small. Grab that hook right out of him. Just hooked right there on the side. All right, you guys. Another fish. See you later, buddy. There he goes. Oh, there we go. That was a big hit. I don't know why I didn't set that. Levi, what the hell were you thinking? Come on. All right, got him. Just another little one. You can tell by the way he's fighting. Just another little, all right, this is the second biggest one today, but still not the biggest. Decent though, not too bad. Let's see if I can get that hook out. Oh yeah, I can get that out. All right, you guys. Oh wow, look at the red colors on his fins, on her fins. It's a female. It's kind of cool looking. All right, another one down. There it goes. Oh, he was gone quick. All right, you guys, hooked up. This one's not giving a lot of big head shakes. It seems like a decent size. Yeah, he's a decent one. Oh yeah, biggest one of today. Oh, that is a solid brown. That is a solid brown. Nice. Get that hook out. Bleeding a little bit. Nah, I'm gonna have to keep this guy. Yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna take one fish home. I got a buddy who will eat them. Don't want to go to work tomorrow. Just want to stay here till it gets dark, even after when it gets dark. Just want to stay here and tell my wife to bring me up some food and just chill here. Then sleep in tomorrow, but I got to work tomorrow, guys. Sucks. Hopefully I can catch another one before I have to go. Oh, there's a bite. All right, you guys, hooked up. Just a little one. Real teeny. You can tell by the way they fight. They fight a lot. Give a lot of head shakes when they're real small. That perfect hook set. Perfect hook set right in the mouth. Let's get him unhooked. Let this little guy go. There you go, buddy. There he goes. All right, you guys, so we came up here, fished Provo River. Water level was super, super low. Lowest I've ever seen it, but caught a few fish on the Rapala, caught a couple fish on the worm. Anyway, yeah, did what I wanted to do today. I wanted to come out on my day off and come fishing, so I did it. But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.